Well, there is traffic. It might take her till 8:15.
I got one problem. You're keeping her busy in the other room. Now, what if she somehow gets away from you and is coming in? You have to signal me that she's coming.
A signal, right. Okay, the signal is I'll call out tippy-toe.
Tippy-toe? I don't think so.
You don't like tippy-toe?
No tippy-toe.
All right, okay, I got it. I'll sing.
What song?
How do you solve a problem like Maria?
What is that?
Oh, it's a lovely song. How do you solve a problem like Maria?
Got anything else?
You pick it.